for our ingredients for this wonderful appetizer. So we have number one, we have mozzarella. We need some eggs. Of course, we need onions. Sauce of your preference. Right here, I'm going to use vodka sauce. We also need some panko. I'm going to utilize Italian style this time. Of course, you need your oil so you can fry it, and flour. And that is all the ingredients that we need. So we're gonna start getting it ready and prepared so we can get it started.
And we're back. As you can see, I have my flour, my eggs, my panko, and I also have the cheese. And I already started some of the onion rings and filled them already with cheese. So I'm gonna show you one that I'm gonna do one right in front of you. When you match them up, try to have one that is bigger than the other one. And the reason for that is so you can put the cheese right in between that little area there. So you can see there's a little bit of an area, like a little crack there that you can put the cheese in there. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so let me try something thinner. And that's another thing you have to do with the cheese is sometimes you're gonna have to look for or cut them or so that you can stuff them. Just pretend the cheese is glue. You're just gonna squeeze it in. Squeeze it in that little crack there to make sure it's all over the place. Can't wait to try one of these. And that's basically what you do, just kind of make a sandwich with the cheese and the onions, all right? All right, so enough of that. I'm gonna put that to the side. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use these other ingredients. So let's start with this one. And we're just gonna put the flour all over it. You know, I'm a hands-on kind of person, so I'm just gonna get in there and now you're gonna put it in here, in your egg, and from here we're going to go to the panko. We want to ensure that we have another layer, so we're going to go again in the egg, roll over it, and one more time. Right? And you repeat with the rest of them. Except maybe you should use gloves. But I didn't this time. Like I said, I'm just like to touch things. And you just repeat, do the same thing over and over. And we'll be right back and then we'll fry them, all right?
All right, guys, we already have them all seasoned up and ready to go. I already have my stove on like a medium high. It's great temperature, so I can put them in, cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. So we'll be right back. Here you have it, guys. Cheesy stuffed onion rings. Super delicious, crunchy in the outside and soft and chewy in the inside. Here's my vodka sauce. Don't you just love it? They are delicious, so try them, make them yourself. And coming right up, it's gonna be Flat Cap and his co-host talking about football, of course. And I just wanted to remind you to come see me next Saturday at 11 a.m. every week, every Saturday, matter of fact. And after football season ends, I'm not leaving. I'm just gonna start preparing dinners and any other kind of breakfast or anything that you would like. And if you have any suggestions, please just go ahead and make a little note and just let me know that, okay, Lady Fire, I just would like for you to try something different or make this for me. Whatever it is, I'm taking any suggestions and challenges. And I'll see you next Saturday.